Hello, this is Happy. Welcome to Immigrate with Happy. For those asking how did I go about my visa application, so I'll be showing you how I went through my application. Do well to subscribe, do well to watch to the end, and do well to like the video. So I'll be pinning the link you're seeing on my screen in this video. So when you click on the link, if you are a Brazilian citizen, you click on this. If you are a foreign citizen, you click on this. So we're clicking on this for the purpose of a fresh application. Click on visa. So this is the site for those that want to apply for their Brazil visa, either student visa, family reunion, tourism, depending on what you want to do. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be sticking to Brazil study or student visa. So click on start application. This is the first application. Now, if you find yourself in this site, that means you have gotten admission to university in Brazil, either for your BSc, for your master's, or for your PhD, or other vocational school. So please make sure you listen attentively. Thank you. For the purpose of this, Abby, say date of birth. 20 May 1st. So married. If you are single, for the purpose of this, single, female. Place of birth, Nigeria. Do you have a Brazilian nationality? For me, no. So if you do have, click on yes. Nigeria, of course. So you have any nationality? For those that have a nationality, 2 nationalities, you can click yes. But for mine, no. If you are filling this part, make sure that the name on your birth certificate is exactly the way you put it here. So if your dad's name is John, so you put John, his first name is John, then wherever you are from, Senegal, Nigeria. So if your mom's name, let me just use Juliana, make sure that her first name is what you're gonna put here, exactly the same as your birth certificate, then your family name, Peru. Then please Nigeria. Please, I'm just using Nigeria as an example. Nigeria. Data for legal representative, I don't have, so not informed. Then click on next. Now for this, do you have any formal name? Now formal surname, this option is for those that are married. So for me, no. But if you are married, you put yes, then you put your name and your former surname. But for this purpose, no. For every application, they do give you a code. So for every application, they always give you, after you pass the first stage, they always give you application recovery code. Do well to write this down, or whatever you want to do, just make sure that you have this code, then click on continue. Main purpose of your trip. For the purpose of this application, we are doing study. Estimated date of arrival. For the purpose of this video, we are making this video on the 11th of October 2025. So let us say my estimated date of arrival is, say, next year, 1st. So selected estimated date of arrival is 1st of January 2026. So period of how long you plan to stay, depending on how many months. For the period of how long your course is, if you are going for BSc, you put how long you want to stay. So just say, okay, that is 2 years, month, or days, whatever you want to fill there. Have you ever been in Brazil before? For me, no. For those that have been in Brazil, do well to click on yes. So your travel exhibition, how do you want to present it? So in person, it depends on the option you want to pick. So do well to click on next. Then do well to click on next. Document type, passport, or passport number. For the purpose of this, I'll just be adding just an example. Issued by wherever it's issued. So let me just say FCT. Date of issue, just say when it's going to expire. Let's say other type of document. If you have other type of document that you feel you want to present, do well to put the document details. But if you don't, do well to click on unknown. For mine, I kept unknown. For your CPF, you have a CPF number already, do well to put on your CPF number. But for mine, I kept unknown. So profession or occupation. So profession and occupation, do well to fill. Then employer, university, school, organization. For my, let me just say UPA. This is just an example. Please do well to. So this place is for the name of your school. So do well to fill it. So working for Brazil. Province, let's say city. You have to put your city, the address, the zip code. Try and fill those places that the asterisk red, because it's very important. For the purpose of this video, I just want this video to be very short so that it will not be that long. So email. immigratewithabbie at gmail.com. This is my telephone number, then means of contact. Contact address. Yeah, for my I clicked on yes, so if it's not the same address with the first one you kept, click on no, then the address. Contact in Brazil, click on not informed. So this is where you upload all your documents. Make sure you put your photograph, your signature, all your documents. It's better, I do advise people that it's better to have more documents than for you to have less documents. So make sure you don't close this browser. Make sure you click on print delivery receipt. So when you get to this, make sure you put your passport and make sure you sign here. So this for your clients. So application has moved from sent to under review. So finger crossed, hopefully next week. So thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, do well to share this video, and do well to like this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye.